Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need an assortment of all different colors and types of beads. You're going to need scissors, a lighter, 2 pieces of string that measure about the size of your wrist, some pliers if you have them, and safety pins. And I wanted to do a little story time and tell you guys the inspiration behind this bracelet today. So in 2001, I was at a rave and I was talking to an old school raver at the time, and she told me before Kandi started that they made friendship safety pins, and you would trade those and you would put them on your shoes, backpacks, hat, wherever. Like, you could put it anywhere. And I do want to mention that I was partying in the Midwest, so there's a lot of different stories out there of how Kandi started. This was just one that I heard and I thought was pretty cool and wanted to share with you guys. And let's bring it back to the old school today and make some of these. And you can use, I think traditionally they used like a small seed bead or glass bead. Letter beads, I mean, really any kind of bead will work. So that's why I said get a nice mix. So all you need to do is open up your safety pin and put on any pattern that you like. And you're going to want to leave some room so you can close this. It looks like I could put another bead on here. And then once you close it, because we're making this a bracelet, I want to close this so it doesn't come undone while you're wearing it. So what you're going to need to do is make a total of 8 of these. Any colors you want, any pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and make mine up, and then I'll be back and show you the next step. Okay guys, I have all of mine ready to go here. And make sure that you close these with a plier. And you're going to want to have them going different ways here. So, and also I used some letter beads. So we're going to put this one on this end, and then you're going to put on 2 pony beads. And then you're going to take the next one and we're going to go on this end. And then you're going to add 2 pony beads. The opposite end. So we're just going back and forth. We're going to add 2 pony beads. So we're always adding 2 beads in between each one. That's what it looks like so far. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that. You're going to add the rest of those, and then when you get to the end, we're going to tie this, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, once you have all of them on, it should look like this. I went ahead and made a knot here, so we'll cut this off. Well, I think I need a new lighter. Alright, so what I'm going to do is lay this down. You're going to take your second piece of string, and it doesn't matter where you start, but I'm going to go through this green one. And then look down here to see what colors you used. So I had blue. I'm going to put on 2 blue and then go through this blue on the end. The next color is purple, so I'm going to add 2 purple and go through this end. And I added clear by the letter bead, so I'm going to add 2 clear and go through. 2 pink and go through here. 2 orange and go through here. 2 yellow and go through here. And now I'm back to the green. So go ahead and keep doing that all the way around, and once you get to the end, you'll tie it. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and I went ahead and made a knot. So you'll cut this off. Well, that's done. So this is what it looks like. And mine says free hugs. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and story time. I'll see you next time.